Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study data analytics. First, begin by building a strong foundation in core concepts. Focus on understanding how data is collected, cleaned, and prepared for analysis. Grasping statistical basics, such as probability and hypothesis testing, is crucial. Also, familiarize yourself with different data types and when to use each. This foundational knowledge will serve as your bedrock for more advanced topics, ensuring a solid start to your analytics journey. Next, focus on acquiring essential technical skills and tools. Mastering a programming language like Python or R is vital for data manipulation and analysis. You'll also need to become proficient in SQL for querying and managing databases, which is a core task for any analyst. Furthermore, learn data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI to effectively communicate your findings. These tools are indispensable for transforming raw data into actionable insights. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Actively work on real-world datasets to apply the skills you've learned. Building a strong portfolio of projects is essential. It showcases your analytical abilities to potential employers. Consider projects involving customer churn prediction or sales forecasting. Additionally, participate in online challenges or hackathons to sharpen your problem-solving skills and gain exposure to diverse data scenarios. Practical experience is key to becoming a proficient data analyst. Finally, remember that data analytics is an evolving field, so continuous learning is paramount. Stay updated with new technologies, tools, and industry trends to remain competitive. Networking with other professionals can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Share your knowledge and learn from others in the community. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Always seek feedback on your work to refine your skills and advance your career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.